In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and apply Walmart promo codes 2025 update. Start by opening your browser and searching for current Walmart promo codes. You'll see coupon websites and deal pages that list active offers. Once you're on a reputable coupon site, use the site's search bar to look for Walmart and open the Walmart page. This brings up a collection of codes and promotions specifically for Walmart, making it easy to find what applies to your purchase. Scroll through the list and find the promo code that fits your needs. Pay attention to details like expiration dates, minimum purchase requirements, category restrictions, and whether the code is for new or existing customers. When you found the right one, click it to reveal the full code and copy it to your clipboard so it's ready for checkout. Now, open your Walmart app. If you prefer the website, the process is almost identical, but we'll stick with the app here. Make sure you're logged into your account before you shop. Being signed in ensures your prices, availability, and delivery options are correct for your location, and some promotions only work when you're logged in or meet account-specific criteria. Browse or search for the item you want, and double-check that it matches any promo conditions you noted earlier, such as brand, category, or order minimums. When you're ready, tap Add to Cart. Then go to your cart to review what's inside. Confirm the quantities, color, or size selections, and that everything you intend to discount is in the same order. Tap Continue to checkout. On the checkout screen, look for the option that says Have a promo code. Tap it to open the promo field. Paste or type the code you copied earlier into the box, then tap Apply. Give it a moment to process. You should see the discount reflected in your order summary, usually as a line item showing the amount deducted. If it doesn't apply, review the terms on the coupon page, check your cart for excluded items, or ensure you've met any minimum spend. Sometimes trying a different, still valid code can yield a better result. Once everything looks correct, items, shipping or pickup choice, taxes, and the promo discount, proceed by tapping Place Order. That's it. Your savings are locked in, and your order is on its way. Quick tip before we wrap up. Promo codes change frequently. If one doesn't work, refresh your search for the latest offers and always read the fine print to avoid surprises. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the savings on your next Walmart order.